How many engineers are in the house? Okay, and technical co-founders? Good, good. So hi, this is Siddhant from Qodex.ai. We are building API security and testing with AI. So LLMs have started writing a lot of code nowadays. One of the guy told me yesterday that previously humans were copying from Stack Overflow. Now LLMs are copying from all over the internet. So in this era, we need to keep our API secure and bug-free. And for that, what we are doing is we are basically understanding about your product in a very deep way. So we understand signals from GitHub, GitLab. We understand signals from Datadog, New Relic. We understand your traffic and everything to make a picture of what exactly your product is all about, what kind of vulnerability, what kind of security, or what kind of end-to-end user testing should you be doing. Let me show you a demo. So for the interest of the time, I have just started the chat before coming here. So before doing anything, it first understand your APIs. Qodex.ai understand your APIs. It categorizes your APIs into multiple modules. It understands which API is dependent on what other APIs. And then based on that, when you say that, let's say, write all user flow tests for my collection, it goes ahead and start building the tests. And when it builds test, it tries to build from the user point of view. So let's say you have many APIs that maybe in UI, it won't be making a user flow, but maybe via API, someone could make a user flow or someone could just hack into. It will take care of all those API flows as well. Let's say once you get these scenarios and still it's not very much good, you can go ahead and iterate with the AI. You can ask it to be more specific in whatever fashion, whatever way you want to build it. And once that is done, you just go ahead and say that, OK, save all these scenarios. Once you do that, Qodex.ai has already enough context about your product. It will start breaking these test scenarios into multiple steps. We try to figure out which API to call for each steps. We'll write assertion for those steps. We'll write database validations for those steps. Whatever a manual or a human script writer or automation tester would be writing a script for, Qodex.ai will be taking care of all of that. So it will take another 30 seconds or OK, first. The first one is done. So yeah, it broke it down into multiple steps. It took care of everything about writing body, writing everything. You can always go ahead and change it in whatever fashion you want. Now you have all these test scenarios written. So we have customers with more than 27,000 test scenarios in their pipelines. Now when, let's say you have pushed something else, you have pushed a new API, you have changed an existing API, and your test scenarios fails. Qodex.ai will take care of giving you a version kind of summary, a build notes kind of thing, where it would say that what has happened between the last build and the current build. Was the API changed? Was there an bug? Was there something else? Whatever the difference is there between the scenarios that has run in the past and that is running right now, it would give you a summary and then one-click fix to fix all those test scenarios that are broken on staging or production. This is the way to fix it. You can just go ahead and click approve, 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 and it will keep on updating all the existing test scenarios. So yeah, happy to chat with anyone who has been dealing with API testing or API security or writing scripts to do that. Thank you so much. This is Siddhant.